Now, when to change the coals? Definitely, the coal will combust on its own, and you need to change the coals, right? You will feel the need to change the coals at a certain point of time. Definitely, whenever your coal extinguishes, you start with 3 coals, you place in the 3 coals, do your best possible bet to get out the maximum out of the 3 coals. Then you place another coals. In a lotus, you do it around an hour mark, right? You place 2 coals, you put the lid, then you take out the when they become very small after an hour and doesn't give much performance, then you place another 2 coals. In case of a provost, it lasts longer, I know that, but in case of this kind of a savant, or in case of a lotus, you can place another coals. Now, one thing is that if in a provost, if you're not able to feel the necessary performance that you're getting out of the small coals, you have to place another coals. In case of other kind of tobaccos like mustave and tangies, which run really, really long, which can run to 3 hours, which can run to 2.5 hours, in that case, in the middle, you have to change coals. Now, what is the problem with these kind of HMDs is whenever you put in fresh coals, they, for a couple of puffs, like a couple of 9-10 puffs, it takes time to adjust. It takes time to adjust to the flavor itself. Whenever you take the first puff out of a new coal, you will feel the burn sensation, and the and the user will basically have to puff in a lot of a couple of bad puffs, I would say, bad puffs. But in a savant, it is nothing like that. Your coals are small, you put in fresh big coals, okay, and you can continue the session. There is no burn taste or anything like that happening. Again, a surprising point.